Alright, Katie, this one's for you. You wanted to know how to do things and repairs around the house. Obviously, you're 6 hours away, so this is a late video. Got a call from mom and dad, but there's a problem with their freezer making noise. Thought it was a pump, coolant, whatever. So dad kind of troubleshot real quick. I was on my way over here, got here. Found a noise that was not related to the pump. Alright, so my sister actually recorded the noise to try to troubleshoot prior to me getting here, and I was in a hurry and did not film, but which button plays right here. You can hear what the noise was it was making. It was behind the freezer, and I'll show you what I found here, and it's not necessarily the simplest repair, but it is easy, if that makes sense. Full of food, all kinds of stuff. Pull out the ice maker, all the contents in here, the gear drive, all that stuff. There's a cover here, and the noise was, kind of like a, well anyway, pull all the drawers out, pull the backing plates off. There's one there, and let me get a light. What it ended up being is there's a fan right there, and ice had built up and fallen down, and it was rubbing the fan blade here. The fridge was so full of stuff it could not get the airflow it needed. It was kind of stagnant, and what we're running into, get a light, flashlight real quick, shoot a video on this. The reason I was pain was there's so much stuff to move out of the way. You don't want all that ice build up in your coil. You get that restricted too much and it will not have airflow over it. Not good for it, not going to circulate. It's made with that little trap down there, so condensates, should run off, drip into there, and eventually make its way to another pan underneath and evaporate out. All because it's restricted and can't flow through. So we got the ice removed, the noise is gone. Need to talk them into getting rid of some of the crap. This freezer burned and old. Shh, Dad's right up here. I don't know if he can hear me or not, but you don't want your freezer that full of crap. Anyway, it will start to work once we get this. We're gonna put a hairdryer on here, get rid of all that ice buildup in those fins, put the covers back on, put all the contents once it's gone through back in, and we are ready to rock and roll. And they save some money from not calling an appliance company that's going to charge buku bucks per hour. Any homeowners out there, or in this case fridge owners, this is a do-it-yourself project. You can do it. It's put all back together, all cleaned out. I should have taken a video prior to, but it was like a anyway, it was right back here. It wasn't the pump on the back side or the compressor back underneath the back. So she's got good airflow. It has to be able to suck air in from here, go through the coil or the cooler. There's where the fan is. The ice was built up on, and it continues to rise up through. And right there is where the air comes out, blows across the ice, circulates the cold, goes back in. There's also a little overflow port back behind the shroud here that goes in a small hole to cool the fridge. Fixed.